Bye.
Okay. Guys, listen up. We will start queuing you properly, okay, for the start of your queuing going inside the floor area. So we will start sending you to the front door around 4 p.m. Around 4 p.m. or later than 4 p.m. because we don't have the privilege to tell the exact time of sending you in, unless otherwise we are given the final approval from the production team. All right. So what we need you to do right now is to form 4 straight lines. Kindly make sure that you are aligned 4 straight lines. Okay. So from Miss here and the other Miss, and then the other Miss here, and then the other one on the right, left side of mine. You need to follow them accordingly. Okay. Based on whoever is next to you. Kindly make sure that you form 4 straight lines. Okay. For later, once we send you inside the main bowl area, so there will be doors, 2 doors that will be open. Okay, 2 lanes will enter 1 door, and then the other 2 lanes will enter another door. All right. So for safety reminder, no running, please. Okay, no running at any given time, no pushing. Okay, no taking of photos and videos, as you might trip and fall along the way. So we don't want you to get hurt. Okay, we need you, actually, we want you to enjoy this show. Alright, so we don't want anyone to go to the hospital for today. Alright, we need you to enjoy the performance of all the performers for today. Okay, so again, no pushing and no running. So there will be security personnel and ushers and other production team that will be there to assist you. Kindly follow their instruction. If they said no running and no pushing, don't do it. All right? Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah. Salut ate. You.
Bigat.